this question now. This is solved. Look at it. Solution. Now, see what I have here. The root of 48 minus the root of x plus the root of 75 equals to 2 root 3. Find the value of x. Look at it. The root of 48 minus the root of x plus the root of 75 equals to 2 root 3. Now, let me look for this x here. Now, this is what I will do. I will look for two numbers I will multiply that will give me 48. One of them will have a perfect square root. Two numbers I will multiply that will give me 48. One of the number will have a perfect square root. The two numbers are 16 and 3. 16 times 3 will give me 48. 16 has a perfect square root, which is 4. So look at it. I will have the root. In place of 48, I will write 16 times 3. That is 16 times 3 is the same thing as what? 48, okay? Minus, now, the root of f plus, now, this is 75. Two numbers also I'll multiply. That will give me 75. One of them will have a perfect square root. 25 and 3, okay? So I have 25 times 3, okay? Equals to 2 root 3. Now look at the shortcut. The shortcut is this. Since 3 is the number, you just divide 3 with this. You get the number you have to multiply. If you have gotten this, to get the rest is very easy. The number that does not have a perfect square root, use to divide this, you will not get the next number, which is 25 times what? 3. Alright. Now look at this now. The root of 16 times 3. 16 has a perfect square root. The root of 16 is 4. So 4 will jump out. So I will have 4 root 3 minus, this one is what? Root of s plus 25 has a perfect square root, which is 5. So 5 will jump out. So I have 5 root 3 equals to 2 root 3. Now observe. In this case now, this is what we call similar surd. Look at this surd. What is inside is 3. This one is also 3. It means that I can add, I can subtract. Because these two surds, they are similar. If the number they have inside the root is the same, it means that the surd is similar. So you can add, you can subtract. So let me collect items. Look at it. I will have 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3, then minus the root of x equals to 2 root 3. Now let me add these two. 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3, that will give me 9 root 3. Now in adding or subtracting in surd, you only add the numbers outside or you subtract the numbers outside. You don't add the number inside, no, or you subtract the number inside, no. 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3, I will only add this 4 and this 5. Before I can add or subtract, make sure the number inside is the same. If it's not the same, there's no way we can add, there's no way we can subtract. Are you following? Alright. But if it's multiplication sign, maybe what I have here is times, I will multiply the two numbers outside, then these two inside I will also multiply. That is what I would do if here was multiplication. The same thing I will do if here was division. But if it's positive or negative, that is plus or minus, only add the number outside, not the number inside. So let's go. 4 root 3 now plus 5 root 3, that will give me 9 root 3. Okay? Then minus the root of s equals to 2 root 3. Alright, now I will collect items also. What will I do? I will move this minus root s to this side. Then this 2 root 3, I will bring it here. Look at it. I have 9 root 3. Now I'm bringing this here. This 2 root 3, invisible sign. Once it crosses, it will turn to minus. So I will have minus 2 root 3 equals to, if you move this here, you have the root of x. Okay, if I subtract these two, that is 9 minus 2, that will give me 7 root 3 equals to the root of x. What am I looking for? S, not the root of s. Alright, so to remove this root, I will square both sides. Look at it. I will square both sides, square both sides. This will cancel this. Okay, so I have s now equals to, now this is 7 root 3 in two places. That's one of these two. So I have 7 root 3 times 7 root 3. That will give me now 7 times 7, that's 49. Root 3 times root 3, that will give me the root of 9. And the root of 9 is 3. Look at it now. This will give me 49 root 9. But the root of 9 is 3. So meaning I will have 49 bracket 3. So if I multiply these two, what will I have? That is 49 times 3. I have 147. That's my answer. So in the question, say find x. X is what? 147. Thank you. God bless you.